Welcome back to Quiz Factory. Which animal will you choose? Pick your favorite and let's begin. Would you rather choose lion or tiger? Lion 48%, tiger 52%. Would you rather choose panda or koala? Panda 62%, koala 38%. Would you rather choose golden retriever or husky? Golden retriever 55%, husky 45%. Would you rather choose fox or wolf? Fox 51%, wolf 49%. Would you rather choose elephant or rhino? Elephant 70%, rhino 30%. Would you rather choose rabbit or hamster? Rabbit 58%, hamster 42%. Would you rather choose cat or dog? Cat 46%, dog 54%. Would you rather choose gorilla or lion? Gorilla 57%, lion 43%. Would you rather choose horse or zebra? Horse 64%, zebra 36%. Would you rather choose peacock or parrot? Peacock 61%, parrot 39%. Would you rather choose dolphin or whale? Dolphin 67%, whale 33%. Would you rather choose otter or beaver? Otter 59%, beaver 41%. Would you rather choose giraffe or kangaroo? Giraffe 52%, kangaroo 48%. Would you rather choose koala or sloth? Koala 56%, sloth 44%. Would you rather choose bear or panda? Bear 43%, panda 57%. Would you rather choose crocodile or hippo? Crocodile 54%, hippo 46%. Would you rather choose giraffe or elephant? Giraffe 45%, elephant 55%. Would you rather choose penguin or seal? Penguin 63%, seal 37%. Would you rather choose tiger or leopard? Tiger 58%, leopard 42%. Would you rather choose deer or goat? Deer 65%, goat 35%. Would you rather choose eagle or owl? Eagle 60%, owl 40%. Would you rather choose flamingo or swan? Flamingo 47%, swan 53%. Would you rather choose dolphin or seal? Dolphin 66%, seal 34%. Would you rather choose llama or alpaca? Llama 49%, alpaca 51%. Would you rather choose cheetah or horse? Cheetah 56%, horse 44%. Would you rather choose giraffe or zebra? Giraffe 53%, zebra 47%. Would you rather choose bear or gorilla? Bear 45%, gorilla 55%. Would you rather choose wolf or fox? Wolf 48%, fox 52%. Would you rather choose squirrel or rabbit? Squirrel 39%, rabbit 61%. Would you rather choose koala or panda? Koala 44%, panda 56%. Would you rather choose lion or elephant? Lion 49%, elephant 51%. Would you rather choose octopus or shark? Octopus 46%, shark 54%. Would you rather choose shark or crocodile? Shark 52%, crocodile 48%. Would you rather choose peacock or butterfly? Peacock 55%, butterfly 45%. Would you rather choose horse or dog? Horse 35%, dog 65%. Would you rather choose monkey or dolphin? Monkey 51%, dolphin 49%. Would you rather choose frog or turtle? Frog 42%, turtle 58%. Would you rather choose lizard or snake? Lizard 38%, snake 62%. Would you rather choose butterfly or bee? Butterfly 64%, bee 36%. Would you rather choose owl or eagle? Owl 44%, eagle 56%. Would you rather choose hedgehog or rabbit? Hedgehog 47%, rabbit 53%. Would you rather choose kangaroo or koala? Kangaroo 52%, koala 48%. Would you rather choose whale or elephant? Whale 58%, elephant 42%. Would you rather choose deer or fox? Deer 54%, fox 46%. Would you rather choose tiger or gorilla? Tiger 53%, gorilla 47%. Would you rather choose swan or peacock? Swan 41%, peacock 59%. Would you rather choose penguin or panda? Penguin 49%, panda 51%. Would you rather choose monkey or otter? Monkey 57%, otter 43%. Would you rather choose lion or dog? Lion 45%, dog 55%. Would you rather choose tiger or lion? Tiger 50%, lion 50%.